Hi guys, and welcome to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple, homemade food that you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want to. And I'm here today in my kitchen. I'm so excited. I've got Mel from Spice Pots.
Hi there, hi.
Mel, tell us about your company. We've seen, people have probably seen your videos by now, but tell us a little bit more.
Spice Pots are super easy shortcut to make delicious, homemade, healthy curries and Indian food as well. 8 servings per tin, much easier than going out and buying all the different spices and all the storage space it takes to store them as well. Super easy way.
Perfect. Yeah, you can get them online. We're going to get a competition at the end of this video. Now, if you have watched one of my videos before, you will know that I have a great burger recipe and people really like it, and we're using it lots in the summer and on the barbecue. This is another fantastic burger recipe and it's slightly different. It's a Bhuna lamb burger. And is this a Bhuna pot? So this is a Bhuna pot here. I'm going to bring this pot up and just let you see. If you're ever looking for them, you'll get them in Dobies, farm shops. Let me see, can you see that very well? See if I can come back. Okay, and you can get them online. You can buy them in lots of different varieties like over here, and you get a little recipe book that goes with them as well. So, lamb burgers. I think that sounds lovely. We love lamb. Really good way to eat it. So what are we doing then?
So we've got the minced lamb here. We're going to double up the recipe today in true batch lady style. Yeah. So we've got a kilo of lamb here. We're going to use the Bhuna seasoning with a teaspoon.
Oh, I'll get a teaspoon.
So we're going to, because it's a double recipe, we're going to put 6 teaspoons of the Bhuna seasoning, which is full of flavour, a wee bit of heat, but not. It's family friendly, so you could easily feed this to your kids and everyone. It's not a hot one.
Yeah, give you a bit of taste, but when you put it on a bun, if you're serving it with kids,
yeah,
put mayonnaise, various things, yes, to cool it down. We are using chopped onions, my freezer chopped onions, and we're using about 1 onion, 2 onionfuls, which is a 1 cup.
Yes.
1 cup makes 2 onions, okay?
I'm going to put in some, in my recipe book it talks about grating ginger, but in Batch Lady style we're using frozen ginger.
Yeah, so exactly on the supermarket aisle where you get all your other frozen sort of things, you will see that there's ginger, coriander, rosemary, all different stuff. So I just buy it, unlock it, take out a couple of scoops, and we're doing the same with
the garlic.
So that is frozen ginger, frozen chopped garlic, already chopped, frozen chopped onions. This couldn't be easier to make a really nice one.
Bit of salt, oopsie.
Wow, let's that we make.
Yeah.
Okay, we're just going to pretend that didn't happen. And we don't want to waste the very expensive lamb. So we'll just take the salt off the top. Perfect.
Okay, and then we're just going to mix it all up.
Oh, and
coriander.
Coriander.
Yeah. Lovely.
I forgot the coriander last time.
Yeah.
Right, coriander.
Perfect. Shall I go
for it? You go for it, and then I'll help you portion it out. So guys, this is great if you just want a change from normal burgers. I got this minced lamb on sort of like Oops, if you know what that is. So I went in late last night and they happened to have it cheaper, so I picked it up and I thought, brilliant, I'll make them and I'll put them in the freezer. There was 2 packets of it that were cheaper, so we thought, would you just do it, double, put it in the freezer, do it double, perfect.
And this, instead of having a usual bun, you know, with the ketchup and all the rest of it, this is lovely if you do it in a pita bread with our mint and coriander raita drizzled over the top, which we've done a video of as well. And it's just lovely, it's just a wee bit different, but a bit of a different barbecue if you're getting a bit sick of the same old repertoire.
Perfect, so let's throw it out on the counter. I'll get rid of the bowl for you. Right, I'll let you start portioning. 1 minute. I'll come back, get the salt off my hands. Right, so when you want to portion something, when you've got a huge amount, okay, you're going to take it out, you're going to divide it into 4, and then you're going to take this one portion that's like 1/4 of it, and you can just divide that out again by going halving it, and then see what the half looks like. Is that, see, I like quite big burgers.
Okay, we'll do half of it.
So I would say, yeah, I like them about that size.
Fine, no worries.
Because do you know why? Because I only want everybody to eat one. I'd rather they had one big one. If not, they come back and they start eating a second roll. And I'm like, oh, you can't eat a second roll. It's not good for you. So I would rather that they had one. And these actually stick together really well. They don't really need
a sort of a binder.
A binder, do they?
No, they don't. I think that's, is it the lamb? I don't know.
I think it might be the lamb actually. I think it's been minced quite finely. So maybe that's why. Because I don't use a lot of minced lamb actually, but probably should, but minced beef is cheaper. So I tend to keep lamb for special. Do you do that?
I do, and I get my lamb from the butcher, from our local butcher, because I just, it's lovely, lovely local lamb as well. So there we go. So how many burgers does this make?
Right, so I reckon if I was to double this, I'd usually make 8 burgers.
Okay.
So we have made
8 burgers.
8 burgers. Because see how we portioned it?
Yeah.
Because we portioned it amazingly well. One good thing about portioning and thinking about how you portion is that you save money. Okay? Because you get it exactly right. So there's 4 of us in our family. So I want 4, where you would portion these out to 10, would you? Because you want 5. You've got 3 kids.
Yes, that's right. So,
Yeah. So you would, sorry, we're just chatting as you're washing your hands.
Yeah, and I'm going to get this over here now. Shall I get this over here and you can talk while you're doing that?
Yes, perfect. So tell us about the competition.
So this is a competition that you got a chance to win this lovely Indian summer selection with the cookbook. 3 different blends in there, the Bhuna, the Goan and the Tandoori Masala. And there's also 12 recipe ideas on the back. But we would like you could take over here.
Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to, if you're watching this on Facebook, you're going to tag a friend, or Instagram, you're going to tag a friend, tell us what you like to eat in the summer, give us some summer ideas, things that you would like to perhaps see. Tell us a bit about what you would like for summer, and you could win this. So tag a friend and share it on your page. If you're watching this on YouTube, give us a good thumbs up, and also send us a comment, and one of you will win this.
Awesome.
So once the series of videos have gone out, someone will win this, and I will send it to you with a Batch Lady bag as well. So we have now made lamb burgers. Okay, no, Bhuna lamb burgers.
Yes.
Really tasty, really nice. Got some fresh herbs in. Great for thinking that the kids are having a treat of a burger, but they're actually getting lots of healthy stuff, and it's tasty, just something slightly different than normal burgers. So thank you very much, Spice Pots.
Thank you
That's what I'm going to call you now, Spice Pots, for coming along. We're having such fun having a day. It's really nice for me to have someone else in the kitchen. Please, all my recipes are free. You'll get them on www.batchlady.com, and you can subscribe from the website as well, and then you never miss a recipe, or follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much. Thanks, Mel.